A pleasant greetings to all. In this video, I am going to explain how to apply nodal analysis when a voltage source is present between two nodes. Consider a problem. In this problem, first of all, we have to find out how many nodes in a network. What is node? Node is a connection of three or four branches. That is known as node. Here, how many nodes? This is the node number 1, node number 2, node number 3. I have to mark the nodal voltage as V1, V2 and V3. Now I am going to explain what are the steps needed to find the voltages V1, V2 and V3. Before that, I am going to explain what is supernode. The voltage source that is connected in between two nodes, these two nodes are considered as supernodes. So what are the supernodes here? V1 and V2. First we have to see the step number 1. Mark the nodal voltages, that is V1, V2 and V3. Then mark the current direction. There is an assumption all the currents are flowing away from the junction. V2 also, all the currents are flowing away from the junction. V3, all the currents are flowing away from the junction. And what is the step number 2? Apply nodal analysis for this network. First, consider this as a voltage source that is located between two supernodes. First, I am going to write the equation with respect to the supernodes V1 and V2. How to write the equation using nodal analysis? V1 minus 0, here this is the ground potential, divided by 0.5. V1 minus 0 divided by 0.5. Then here you have to remove this voltage source. Then plus V2 minus 0 divided by 0.5 plus V2 minus V3, because with respect to a node V1 and V2 only we have to write the equation V2 minus V3 by 0.5. Then consider the node 1, another one element, that is current source, is connected. The assumed current and actual current, both the currents are opposing with each other. The value is minus, that is equal to 0. Next, I am going to rewrite the equation as V1 by 1 by 2 plus V2 by 1 by 2 plus V2 minus V3 by 1 by 2, that is equal to 2. I have to rewrite the equation 2V1 plus 2V2 plus 2V2 minus 2V3, that is equal to 2. Okay, next 2V1, 2V2 plus 2V2, that is 4V2 minus 2V3 equal to 2. This is the equation number 1. And next, I am going to consider the node B3 and write the equation with respect to node B3. V3, three elements are connected. The first element V3 minus V2 divided by 0.5. With respect to the V3, we can write the equation. So V3 minus V2 by 0.5. Then see the current. Assumed current is downward direction. Actual current is upward direction. Both the currents are opposing with each other. The value is minus 4. See, both the currents are same direction for 2 ampere current source, that is plus, that is equal to 0. Have to rewrite the equation as V3 minus V2 divided by 1 by 2 minus 2 equal to 0. From this, 2V3 minus 2V2 equal to 2. Okay, this is the equation number 2. And next I am going to explain the equation number 3. To write the equation number 3, I am going to consider the removed branch. Removed branch is 6 voltage source, that is between two nodes V1 and V2. Here positive terminal is connected to V2, negative terminal is connected to V1. How to write the equation? V2 is connected to positive terminal node, so plus V2, minus is connected to the negative terminal, minus V1, that is equal to 6. So V2 minus V1, that is equal to 6. This is the equation number 3. These three are the three equations that is obtained from the circuit. I am going to rewrite all the equation once again. So equation number 1 is 2V1 plus 4V2 minus 2V3 equal to 2. Second equation, minus 2V2 plus 2V3 equal to 2. Third equation, minus V1 plus V2 equal to 6. Okay, these are the three equations. First of all, I am going to take the equation 1 and 2. 1 plus 2, equation 1 plus equation 2. That gives, see here, 2V1 and 4V2 minus 2V2, that is 2V2. 2V1 plus 2V2, 2V3 and 2V3 both are get cancelled, equal to 4. This is the equation number 4. Then I am going to use the equation number 3. That is minus V1 plus V2 equal to 6. I am going to find out the V2 value. So what I have to do? I have to multiply equation 3 with the number 2. That is minus 2V1 plus 2V2, that is equal to 12. And add both 2V2 plus 2V2, that is 4V2 equal to 16. So what is the voltage V2? V2 equal to 4. So the first voltage is over. And next, what is the next voltage? I am going to find out the voltage V1. So how to find out the voltage V1? I am going to take the equation 3. Take the equation number 3. In the equation number 3, I am going to substitute the value V2. So minus V1 plus what is V2? V2 equal to 4, that is equal to 6. Minus V1 equal to 6 minus 4, 2. What is V1? V1 is minus 2 volt. V2 is 4 volt, V1 is minus 2 volt. After finishing this, I am going to find out V3. To find out V3, take the equation 2. In the equation, I am going to substitute the value V2. What is V2? 4. Already minus 2 into 4 plus 2V3, that is equal to 2. That is minus 8 plus 2V3 equal to 2. 2V3 equal to 10 and V3 equal to what? V3 equal to 5 volt. So these are the three values. V1 equal to minus 2 volt, V2 equal to 4 volt and V3 equal to 5 volt. This is the way to find out the voltage using nodal analysis, which consists of supernode. Thank you. Have a nice day.